Here's a neat trick to use with your Chromebook. Did you know that you can click on the Alt key and either the left or right bracket key at the same time on your Chromebook to split your screens into two tabs with no extension needed? Here's a great example for teachers. If you're a teacher, you might want to have Google Meet open and have your work open at the same time. So here's what you would do. I'm going to press Alt and the left bracket, and that moves one of my tabs to the left side of the screen. Now I'm going to press Alt and the right bracket, and it makes that tab go to the right side of the screen. Now I have my Google Meet open and another document open in split screen. Here's an application for students. Your students might want to have Google Classroom open and a document that they're working on open at the same time. Here's how your students would do that. Press Alt and the bracket key. That moves that tab to the left side of the screen, and then you can simply drag your other tab to the right side of the screen. Now you can see Google Classroom and the document that you're trying to work on at the same time.